Onshape is more than just a powerful design tool. It's a complete task management and feedback system built specifically for engineers. Feedback in Onshape is seamless. You can capture comments alongside your design data, ensuring that all feedback is connected directly to the relevant geometry. Tagging geometry within your comments leaves zero ambiguity. Everyone on your team knows exactly what part of the design you're referring to, reducing chances of rework. With Onshape, you can redline and mark up designs in both 2D and 3D, making visualizing changes easy while providing clear, actionable feedback. Onshape also lets you project manage directly within the platform by assigning feedback as tasks to be completed. Engineers can prioritize their time efficiently using their own action items dashboard as a personalized task manager. And it doesn't stop with design tasks. You can use general tasks to manage everything from routine checks to complex ECR and ECO workflows. Onshape integrates task management directly into your design workflow, helping you manage projects more efficiently and stay focused on what matters most, delivering exceptional engineering results.